i35equipment.com. This is the XCMG XE210CU hydraulic track excavator, stock number 53. What can you come look at this machine for yourself? You can bring your mechanic and operator, or hire someone who wants to come to you if you like. We are open by appointment only, and it is shown by appointment only, so please give us a call, get on calendar. We're here at 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, you can fill out the form on our website. Call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that delivery address over local haulers and a nationwide broker, or you can arrange for your own hauling, or come pick it up for yourself if you like. We do specialize in consignment sales here. If you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, fill out the form on our website, or give us a call. Learn more about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready to work equipment. This machine does have the Cummins diesel motor. Sounds to be running real good. Puts out lots of power. Does have that Kawasaki pump. Super heavy duty, solid hydraulic thumb on it. Paired up with the matching CP bucket with 5 teeth. Cold working air conditioning, rear view camera, dual travel speeds, runs and operates excellent. It'd be a great machine for the construction site, farm, or ranch. The hydraulic thumb would be fantastic for pulling and moving trees, sorting scrap, loading rocks. And that machine's got real good power for digging. It does have all working work lights. Travel's really good for a machine that size. We're big fans of the XCMG brand. We sold quite a few of them. Make a real solid machine. Working horn. We're going to check out the bucket, thumb, undercarriage, and we'll hop up in the operator station and take a look around. Top spin pre-filter. Helps keep some of the dust out. No blow by, and it sounds to be running real good. Still has the nice hand safety rails here. Excellent sprockets. Rear view camera there, as I said earlier. Does have the switchable control patterns. Right there, so convenient. Dual batteries with the battery cover still on it. So we got the sprocket. Let's hop up in the operator station and take a look around. It does have the factory XCMG suspension seat. It is a air ride. See it coming up. Real nice. Definitely feel that cold working air conditioning. Okay. Currently sitting at 2249 hours. Here's your rear view camera. AC, horn, hydraulic thumb operation. I'm not sure. I do believe that's a single way hydraulic, so if you were to change it out to a hammer, that would operate there. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video with beneficial to you. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Hope you have a great day.